Alrighty, well, all I gotta say is Camaro's fucking loaded up. Hold up. Ready for the beach. Come on back. Ah, dude. Well, yeah, don't mind that crack. I don't even want to get started, but about to go meet up with the boys at Wawa, get some E85, head down to this cruise. We're about to be mobbing down. We got a mixture of cars. I don't even know. It's about to be a good time. We got an Airbnb. It's about to be lit. Have a good night tonight, Friday night. See what we get into, and then Saturday morning, wash the cars. Probably install my new lip that I got. Yeah, Camaro is loaded up. But we're freaking ready for a weekend. Come on. Let's go! Savo and the G, come on back.
Joey woke up one morning, he was tired of the world, he was tired of the dreams that he saw. He lived in the city in Cali, but now he ain't dead, cause Lucy ain't heard it before. Walked outside in the middle of fall, so it's windy as soon as he opened the door.
That boy's skating! Yo, what are we getting for the vlog? For real.
I don't know, bro.
Yo, tonight we at Wawa. We getting some food.
Brother, I couldn't fucking tell you.
Couldn't tell us. Savo's like, catch me in the morning.
We're in Italia.
Technically, already is the morning.
396.
Sir.
Yes, sir. For you, man.
Gracias, amigos.
Yes, sir.
No
Appreciate you, Brahmo. All stock, boys. Arby's, we got the meats. Hot boy.
Carbon hood actually fits cool.
Bro, it really does. This shit goes hard.
Wipe my nose,
Sheesh. Sheesh. Menace to the Airbnb. Menace to the Airbnb. Oh yeah, you got plenty. You're mint. Yo, CJ, let me get a little. He said it's still cold. At the Airbnb is crazy. Installing the new carbon fiber lip.
No. Pull it back.
About to be going crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say, what's the lineup look like? Yo!
Gotta be like that.
It's gotta, yeah, I don't know where it goes. Hold on one sec. Shout out the boys. Getting her done.
Of course he does.
The manual free labor. My boys are getting her done. Let's go.
Yeah, bro.
Biggie Vigils out here. The lip looks so good. I'm pumped. I need to get a new windshield.
Where the fuck is CJ when you need him?
Facts. That concludes the weekend. All cruising back home.
I'm coming down, bitch, no one talking till I get some sleep. I'm popping Addy, can't get the phone, I'm focused, looking for lean. My shorty rap strikers, he on fire, think he got a fleet. I'm signing all out, booby trap, felt like a mean Greek. Outfit chrome, plastic gun, need a cheap. Beat 12. And I'm pouring on some walk. Trigger finger hat, I can't tell that bitch stop. Get up on my way if you in the way of guap. How much guns you have? I don't know, but it's a lot. Nina by my side, and that bitch ready to pop. You say you a step, nigga, we know you a fraud. I just want the head, sorry I don't want the sauce. What's that on my face? It's too late, bitch, that's a dot. I don't like the odds, when I see them, they get shot. Boom, take ain't made a bet, somebody go.